Okay, number two is that is number two law. That is division law of indices. Okay, so when dividing numbers with equal bases, then what do? The power of the divisor, there is something we call divisor, is subtracted from that of the dividend. Now, if I have 5 over 2 here, okay, these two here in division, you are using this one to divide this. So this one that want to divide this is the divisor. Why this 5 is our dividend. Dividend is the one that want to be divided. This one that want to divide this is a divisor. So I can write this as 5 divided by 2 as well. Okay, so they are the same thing. All right. So now we are saying that the power of the, now from this place, this is my dividend and this is my divisor. There's a reason for all these things. Okay, so this, the power of our dividend is A, the power of our divisor is B. The thing says that when dividing numbers, of course, they must be of equal basis. Then that means that the power of the divisor, this one here, will be removed, will be subtracted from that of the dividend. So that's why we have this as, they are equal. Pick one of them. Then you say A minus B. Another example is if I have 5 raised to power 4 divided by 5 raised to power 2. What do we do here? They are equal. Of course, this is the power of the divisor and dividend. You start from here. Then we have 5 raised to power 4 minus 2. That gives me 5 raised to power 2, and that is 25. 5 times 5. The actual reason for this law of division is this. Sometimes many students will come across question like this, that you have probably 3 raised to power 2 divided by 3 raised to power 5. Then the student will now look at it and say, maybe the teacher make a mistake here. No, it's not a mistake, because they feel that at the end of the day, you are going to have something like 3 raised to power 2 minus 5, which to them, they feel is not allowed, that it looks kind of, all right? It's not weird. This is very, very correct, because if you are to follow the law of indices here, it says that the power of the divisor will be subtracted from this. Do not change it to 3 raised to power 5 minus 2 just because you are used to this one. You love this. Okay? Do not change it to that. With that idea, then we go ahead and say, you are following what you see now. Okay, these are divisor, the power, and the dividend. Of course, they have the same base. So I pick one of them, and then I remove this from this. And not 5 minus 2. It's 2 minus 5. Then that gives me 3 raised to power minus 3. Now, this is another law of indices. So I will stop here. Then when we get to that law of indices, that is negative index. Okay, so when I get to that part, I will come back to this place again. Then you will know how to solve this. So if you must excel in indices, you must actually know all these rules of indices. So this is rule number 1. We have done it. Multiplication law of indices. Then number 2 is division law.